So hello guys, welcome to another video, and this one is actually a tutorial. So I've been running into this problem where my guy wouldn't go forward, and like he wouldn't sprint. He would go forward, but he would just stop. He would sprint, but stop. So he'll go left, right, but won't go forward. So I'm gonna be showing how to fix this issue. So all you have to do is just like tap your thing, like your stick, like 10 times. And after you tap your thing 10 times, you gotta pass your control to jelly, and then jelly will do the rest of the thing. So when you do this, you'll be done. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll show you the what jelly needs to do. So see this.
Break it! Break it!
when you're running low on content.
Hey.